YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Reggie, aka Q50 Reggie, and welcome to the first official video on the Q50 Reggie channel. In today's video, we will be taking the beautiful baby to go get a muffler delete for the first time. Yeah, so y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna let y'all boys hear it before. So I saw him before. Get some rev clips. Hold on. Yeah, that's how it sound. And yeah, that's how it sounds. So like I said, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, and we gonna get into the vid, man. YouTube. So I said, since I was telling myself, since this is gonna be like a little shorter video, I said, why not let me just give y'all a little POV drive of the stock Q50. This shit is stock. I'm finally stepping out of my comfort zone and actually getting the mufflers done. Or getting the muffler delete. What the hell? Nigga almost spun out. But yeah, when I actually start driving, I'm gonna pick back up the camera and I have to see where I'm going, cause yeah, so I'll be back. Stock Q. It's hella traffic, bro. It's rush hour like crazy. Hold on, let me roll the window up. Throw that AC on. The day I'm recording this is Halloween, so happy Halloween to all the spooky ass, scary ass. Goddamn, nah, I'm just bullshit. But happy Halloween. What y'all boys being for Halloween, man? Me, I just got my little mask right here. And in this box, I got some muffler tips that I'm gonna use, that I'm gonna throw in there too. Slow at GT. Nah, I'm playing. But yeah, man. I don't even know if I want to do a POV because there's so much damn traffic, bro. I can't even get on no clear road. Can't even get no clear street, man. All this traffic. Hey, here comes another red light, man. I'll be back. This goddamn Lincoln truck, bro. Damn. What you getting over for? Just to go slow. What the hell, bro? I hate people that do that, man. But yeah, we just chilling though. Woo! Let me chill. I ain't trying to get pulled over again. Let me chill, bro. But yeah, like I was saying in the last clip, what y'all boys being for Halloween? I got my mask next to me. I'm gonna take some Halloween pictures at the gas station with my car. Hopefully my car clean enough. I don't feel like washing it today. But if it's clean enough, I'm gonna go take some Halloween pictures. If I do take some, then y'all might see them early before I post them on Instagram. Cause right now I'm not posting on Instagram at the moment. But yeah, whenever I do take some pictures, y'all be able to see it. Just follow my main page at 4pf._Reggie, or you can follow my car page at Q50.Reggie. Or you can follow my TikTok, all that shit, man. I got all that. But yeah, that's enough with the POV, because these motherfuckers, it's too much traffic out here. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the muffler shop. So we just made it to the muffler shop. These are the tips I'm gonna put on it. The baby right there. To get that muffler delete, man. I'll be back real soon. More getting started. Yeah, man. It's about that time I finally do something to the muffler. I'm tired of that stock sound. Shout out Muffler Pros. If you're in Miami, come to Muffler Pros. They got me right on all my cars that I have. My Maxima and my Q50. So, when they done, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Finally got this big shit on. Look how big this shit is, bro. What the hell, dog? Yo. Nah, this is crazy, bro. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Boy, it's like the car, man. Damn, I missed it. They were just staring at it, man. Keep doing good. Hey, nice little rumble. I ain't showing my face, but I'm fucking cheesing right now, man. God damn. This shit sound nice. It's a little something. It ain't too crazy, but it's good for right now until I get my lower down pipes. Y'all hear that? Damn! Damn! That shit sound nice as fuck, boy. Damn. Damn. Sheesh. Damn, boy. God is great. God is great. Hold on, I'm gonna rev it a few times. Yeah, that shit sound nice, boy. So this a couple hours, like 2 hours after the muffler delete, and I just had to take some time to really sit here and enjoy this shit, bro. I mean, it's not too loud, but this shit is still like amazing, bro, and I love it. So what I got next in mind, I'm getting the lower down pipes, some AMS lower down pipes, or some Boosted 6 lower down pipes. And as you can see in front of me, I got the bros in front of me. In front of this charger is my dog Chris, and this my dog Curvis in the charger. And yeah, we just vibing. We on the way to the gym right now, so yeah, I'm gonna just get this like a little mini like POV drive on the way to the gym. So later, like I said earlier, I'm gonna take some Halloween pictures, and yeah, so I'm gonna get back with y'all boys. So I'm back a few hours later. I got the windows down. I'm not sure if y'all can hear me, but I ain't gonna speak too loud if y'all can't hear me. But it has now been like 4 hours since I had the muffler delete, and I can honestly say, once again, I love this shit. One of my favorite mods I done did so far, for sure. This shit is beautiful, man. It's nice, subtle, it's not too loud. Hold on, let me see if I could get a little opening so I can Give a little engine sound real quick. Oh my God, bro. That shit sounds so nice. Shit sound nice, bro. Damn. The windows back up. But yeah, what's next for the Q is lower down pipes for sure, and most likely a tune. But for now, my dream exhaust for now is the arc exhaust. I want that shit so bad. But that shit costs it costs a pretty penny, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm not gonna get that yet. So I'm gonna stick with my lower down pipes with my muffler delete, get it tuned, and hopefully I should be good for now. About to go to the gas station to take some Halloween pictures, like I mentioned earlier. So I got my boy Jamal behind me. I don't know if you can see him. I don't know why I just tried that shit. You could probably see him just a little bit. He right there behind me. He gonna follow me and shit. But I think that's it for this video. So if y'all like this video, I don't think I'm gonna end it soon. But if I do end it right here, just know I love y'all. I appreciate the support on my car tour video. And yeah, I gotta start getting back more consistent. I've been working a lot and I don't be having places to go, so I ain't been recording no POVs or nothing. So whenever I do have like plans and shit like that and like places to go, then that's when I pull out the camera and start recording POVs and stuff like that. But YouTube, so today is a new day and I forgot to give y'all boys a cold start. Well, I forgot to I don't know why I ended the video in the last clip. I should have never did that because I ain't give y'all a cold start. But this gonna be the first startup since I got the muffler delete. Yeah, man, so that's the cold start. Now I'm about to end the video. So if y'all boys like this video and want to see more POVs and other stuff like that, y'all just give me some suggestions in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Lower down pipes coming soon. And I'm going to catch y'all boys in the next video.